Hey, what's up YouTube? 97 Pontiac Grand Prix GT back again with another video that I just updated my car yesterday. I have 170,127 on it. I just got the oil changed and I got my tires rotated. But I ordered this new mounting kit from ZZP Performance online for $10, and it looks really good. I think it's really flat in there, and it's like not all sticking out like the Crutchfield. You guys can see that it's all nice and flat. I really like it. I'll be honest with you, for you people that have a Grand Prix in 1997 to 2003, I've seen other videos on there too. I was watching this other guy's video, and he said it was really easy to install, but to me it wasn't. It was really a pain in the ass to do, actually, to be honest, because you have to slide this black piece, not this one. You have to slide it up in there. And I ordered one of these last summer, and it did not fit. I don't know why it didn't fit. It said for a 97 Grand Prix, it did not fit. Well, I went back on there again this year. I got a new one from ZZP Performance once again, and I ordered this, and I was hoping to God it would fit, and I got it in there. It probably took me about just about 20 to 25 minutes to do, because I had to slide I had to take the radio out and all that. But it looks very nice. I think it looks like it's stock. I like it. My dad commented on it when I showed him, and he said it was really nice. It looks really good. And I just want to show a quick video of that, but I can show you my hood and my subs again. So pop the trunk and I'll pop the hood. Car's running, so car's dirty. Sorry about that. But oh, there she is. See that? That is a coil spring that snapped. So I'm gonna be getting that fixed. But there's a 212-inch Rockford Fosgates. Really good. I'm hoping to get some Polk Audios. And there's my cold air intake from eBay. For $40 I bought that. You hear it? Getting 22 miles to a gallon now. So I got my rust fixed too by my gas cap. But this car's running really good. Ever since I put that cold air intake in, it's been running really good. I see the tint. That's 1%, folks. Pretty damn dark in here at night. You can just tell. Look at that. Tint, stock. Tint and stock. I want you guys to see this. Watch that RPM gauge right here. This thing, I just got off the highway, and I just got home, so I was hauling some ass. There was a big accident, so on the other lane, so going the opposite way. I mean, so, but hoping to get my rockers fixed because it's rusted. So I'll update you guys with another video whenever I have that stuff fixed. But I'll show you. I'll let you hear it. The system. I can put you in a long cab somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't mental pain, ain't tricking. If you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. I'll switch the song. trying to find this Tupac song. No. Oh, there. Shit. Well fit. Yep, that's the kit. I really like it. I recommend this for anyone that's got any type of car. If you guys want it to look really nice instead of looking like shit, I'd recommend getting the ZZP Performance. If you guys have like a Pontiac or like a Chevy Impala or something like that, because it looks really nice in here. It doesn't look like shit, so it's not all sticking out. So, but thanks again. Comment, subscribe. Thanks. Peace out.